Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Fish on Wheels. Today we are starting the process of driftwood preparation at home. We done 2 pieces earlier और हमने उसकी मदद से एक aquarium भी set किया था. You can check out my video on that topic. Or now we are again starting the process. I have picked these 3 pieces from market. Let's have a closer look to the details of the pieces which I have picked. In my last experiment, I picked smaller wood pieces, but this time I have picked slightly bigger pieces. This piece is really beautiful, my personal favorite. It has a twist in it. And this last one, this is the largest piece I have right now, so it can cover whole aquarium. So I'll try to set up a tank using all these 3 pieces when they are ready. I'm filling the drum with water, and these pieces will remain there in water for next 60 days. The pieces have started floating into the water as they are completely dry right now. We have closed the drum and we will keep on checking the pieces and definitely will keep you guys updated with the progress. Thank you for watching.